Hey guys, it's Harry here from Finger Gym, and today we're going to go through a beginner play-along guitar routine you can do to get faster fingers and more coordinated fingers. So grab your guitar and let's begin. Let's start off with a quick stretch. What we're going to do is rotate our hands 5 times clockwise. Let's go 5 times anti-clockwise. Open and close our hands 5 times. And let's shake it off and stretch it out. Let's start with exercise 1. We're going to do the ascending spider climbs. What we're going to do here is start on the first fret of the lower E string. And on each beat of the drum, we're going to walk up with each finger. Once we get to our pinky, we're going to move up a fret and keep going until we get up to the 12th fret. You might need to watch this through once to get the idea, but you will get the hang of it as we go. So, let's begin. 1, 2, 3, 4. So all 4 fingers. Then move up a fret, back to our index finger. Up a fret. Keep going, you're doing great. Couple more. Okay, good job. So if you haven't got this cutaway, those last few might be difficult, or if you're using like a Spanish classical guitar as well. So don't worry if you can't get all the way up. If you're using an electric or a cutaway like mine, then it'd be easier to get up there, but still, no pressure. Remember to use the speed settings on YouTube as well to practice that one at a slower pace if you couldn't keep up. Now let's do the same thing. It's essentially the same exercise, but we're going to do it on the next string up, on the A string. A bit more tricky because we have to reach in between the strings when we're picking with our right hand. Let's try it. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you need to take a break, do it as slow as you need to. Don't push through any pain or discomfort. Up to the 5th fret. Just a few more. Two more. Last one. Okay, great job. So that's exercise 1 complete, the spider climbs from the 1st to the 12th fret. We've done that on the low E string and the A string. Now we're going to move on to exercise 2. And exercise 2 are going to be spider walks. And the difference here is we go 1, 2, 3, 4. And instead of moving up a fret, we move up a string. Repeat that to the top string. Then we'll move up a fret. Keep going, back down the strings, move up a fret. We'll repeat this up to the 6th fret. Okay, same speed as before. 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember to relax and breathe. Move up a fret. Next string. If you haven't done these before, it can be really hard. I recommend you slow down the video with the YouTube speed settings and practice at a slower pace. If it's too easy, you can speed it up. Okay, up a fret. Up to the 5th fret. Just a few more. And finally, the 6th fret. Great job. Exercise 2 complete. Now moving on to exercise 3. Just before we do, I wanted to let you know about a 21-day finger gym challenge that I'm creating, which is a step-by-step progressive method to get you building the skills you need one by one each day over the course of 21 days. If you'd like to check that out and learn even faster with these play-along routines, daily play-along routines, then check it out in the description box below, the 21-day finger gym challenge. Okay, now moving on to exercise 3, our final exercise today, is very similar, the same thing. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, up the frets, except we move up, then we come back down with our pinky first, reversed. So I call these the basic spider walk. The last one was the basic spider walk ascending only, so we're always ascending notes. This one is the basic spider walk, But on the way down, we descend the notes. Ascending up, descending down. Let's do this from the 1st to the 4th fret. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. So exactly the same thing. The only difference is the way back down, which you'll see in a moment. It's not about being perfect, it's about showing up. Up a fret, and then with our pinky, and then back down. Descending. Pinky again. Pinky again. You get the idea. Up a fret with our index finger, ascending again. Up and start with our pinky. Descending on the way back down. Amazing work, exercise 3 complete, and our routine complete today. Amazing work, thank you for practicing with me. If you want to take this even further, learn even faster, step by step, then check out the 21-day Finger Gym Challenge in the description box below. Look forward to potentially seeing you there. If not, enjoy all the videos on the Finger Gym channel. Really appreciate it, guys. Thank you. Any questions, let me know, and I'll see you in the next video.